Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat. So make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. First, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then scroll down until you see the Snap Map section. From here, the first thing you need to do is turn off ghost mode. Tap on the Snap Map and then toggle off ghost mode. You'll also be able to choose who can see your location, either all your friends, all friends except certain people, or only specific friends. I'm going to choose my friends. Once that's done, open up the Snap Map and you'll see your current location. You can zoom out to explore the map and see which of your friends are nearby. If someone is visible on the map, just tap on their name and you'll be able to view their profile and add them as a friend. And that's basically how you find and add nearby friends on Snapchat using Snap Map. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and see you soon.